Hey guys, welcome back to the Parkerverse. Following on from my first two Windows 11 desktop customization videos, this week I thought I'll share with you guys a free alternative to the renowned Wallpaper engine. And this one is a software I personally have had my eye on for a while now, allowing you to set not only pre-made live wallpapers direct to your computer's backdrop, but any video files downloaded or even streaming online as well. Oh, and did I mention it's completely free? Now, before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next one. And of course, as always, don't forget to submit your live wallpaper and home screen requests right from within the Epic Live Wallpaper app. Just head over to the live section and then click on the request button. And remember to boost your favorite ones using both the heart and the booster buttons here. So jumping right into it, today we're looking at Lively Wallpapers, an awesome little app which brings both interactive and non-interactive live wallpapers right to our computer desktops. So if your systems have been struggling with Wallpaper Engine, why not give this one a try instead? Just simply use the link down in the video description below and grab yourselves the latest version of the Lively Wallpapers direct from their website. And once you're done with the installation, you should see something like this, a grid with all the pre-installed live wallpapers. Now, as a quick overview, any one of these live wallpapers can be fully managed and customized right from on this grid layout. Now, if your setup's like mine and you have dual screens running, you can manage both of them together or even individually right by clicking here. And of course, you can control the audio level as well. But if you wanted to take things even further, just head over to the settings section where you can tweak its behavior, performance and more. So make sure to definitely check it out. And as a quick tip here, if you're using an ultra wide monitor just like I am, you may want to also play around with the choose to fit option, which will allow you to fully adjust the wallpapers to fit your screen. Now let's move on to the main event, adding in new live wallpapers. For this, you can either load in your own animated video files, or you can copy and paste a video URL right into the software itself. And yes, this does work with YouTube videos. Now, having said that, there is one catch when you use a video URL. Sadly, if it's not the same native aspect ratio as your monitors, you're going to get these black bars. Well, that is unless you download the video files themselves. But sadly, I can't show you that here. And of course, I don't support video piracy, but alternatively, you can grab yourself some cool HD live wallpapers from sites just like livelywallpapers.net and a few others. I'll leave a link for a few sources down in the video description below. However, if you guys find some alternative links, make sure to leave them in the comment section below so others can check them out as well. Just load your source file, click add, and there you have it. You just set a custom video for free as your desktop's live wallpaper. If you like this video and want to see more just like this, make sure to like and subscribe to help support the channel. And why not check out some of my Android customization videos. See you next time on Into the Parkerverse.